Want your device to last longer? Smartphone lasts 2 to 3 years, while laptop lasts for 4 to 6 years. Maintenance is key. Regular cleaning prevents damage. Use microfiber cloth and compress air. Avoid harsh chemicals charged between 20% to 80%. Use original chargers and monitor battery settings for efficiency. Enabling battery saver mode optimize battery life. Upgrading components instead of replacing the entire device not only mitigates waste but also saves money. Making informed decisions about components replacements can effectively extend the life of your device. Simple tasks such as updating software, cleaning hardware, and managing storage can significantly impact your device's longevity.